In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer ticket in Zendesk. If you've ever found yourself wondering how to streamline customer service processes, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step clearly so you can easily navigate Zendesk and get your customer service operations running smoothly. First, let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to Zendesk. This is a comprehensive platform designed to meet all of your customer service needs. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Sign In button. Click on that to proceed. Once you've clicked Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Ensure you have your credentials handy, as this is crucial for accessing your agent dashboard. If you're managing multiple accounts or have security concerns, consider using a password manager for added security and ease of access. After entering your details, hit the Sign In button once more to log into your account. With access granted, you're now at the Zendesk dashboard. Here, hover your mouse over the Add button. This is your gateway to creating new entries, so it's essential to know where to find it. After locating Add, simply click on Ticket from the drop-down menu. This will direct you to the new ticket creation page. When you arrive at the ticket creation interface, the first thing to do is select the requester. The requester is the person who has reached out for support, usually a customer. Make sure you have the correct requester information for the ticket to be accurately processed. Following that, you'll need to decide on an assignee. The assignee is the team member responsible for resolving the ticket. Assigning the right agent is key to efficient problem solving. Next, you'll need to determine the type of ticket you are dealing with. This may fall under categories such as question, incident, problem, or task. Choosing the right type helps prioritize and manage tickets effectively. In line with this, you'll also set the priority of the ticket. Whether it's low, normal, high, or urgent, setting the appropriate priority will ensure that the ticket is dealt with in a timely manner. Now let's move to writing your subject. While this might seem straightforward, remember that a clear, concise subject line helps in quickly understanding the issue at hand. With your subject defined, it's time to draft your public reply. This reply will be visible to your customer, so ensure it is professional yet personable, addressing the concern and detailing any steps already taken. Engage your customer by showing understanding and empathy. With all these steps completed, you will have effectively created a detailed, actionable customer ticket in Zendesk. This systematic approach will help streamline your response process, ensuring customers receive timely and efficient service. Keep practicing, and soon enough, managing customer tickets will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and keep up the great work in providing excellent customer support.